Napaka-perfect ng crust tapos siksik sa filling tong mga savory pies. And don't forget these cookie pies as well. Hey friends, we have some savory pies from Pieting. First impressions, ang bigat niya and also ang bango. You're too blessed to be stressed. Cute! Yung best part for us would be the crust. Ang ganda ng pagkaka-golden brown. Pagkakat ko pa lang, alam ko ng perfect yung texture. It was crispy and thin but light and flaky. Flavor-wise naman, it was buttery with just the right amount of saltiness. Now, yung filling I think would depend on your preference. I like na medyo chunky pa siya, hindi super mashed, tapos tama lang yung ratio with the crust. And siksik talaga, nakakabusog siya. Love the mushroom melt, pero mas prefer ko yung chicken and potato since hindi ako mushroom fan. I think mas magugustuhan ko yung beef picadillo. Personally lang, I like super creamy, saucy pies. But because of the shape and crust siguro, hindi possible dito. So I think ang sarap nito kung gumawa ako ng creamy soup to pair with it. By the way, each pie comes with their house-made